What's going on, guys? Andy here, bringing you episode 3 of Andy's Garage. Unfortunately, I do not have any footage of the completed Acura. I literally had someone buy it off of me at the gas station as I was pumping up. But I do have a few before and after photos. Check them out and stay tuned for this episode. I'll be working on my 92X/WRX Subaru. Alright guys, let me show you what we got going on in the shop today. My 2005 Saab 92X 2.0 Turbo. For those of you that do not know, this car is equipped with the WRX 2.0. It's got the STI steering rack. And for all those Subaru drivers, the only thing that is wrong with this car is the leaky valve gaskets. I'm going to get those replaced. On this side, we got my 1980 BMW E21. Really cool car, really rare. Nothing special about it. It's not fast, it's not quick, but it is a 5-speed. It's really cool looking car, really fun. And then the problem child, my 2000 328 Ci BMW E46. For some reason, this transmission has just been hell. I think it's rusted together, or it's seized. For some reason, we can't take it apart. So we let this car sit on ice so we can focus on these easier projects. Today, I'm going to be changing out the valve cover gaskets on my Saab. It's been leaking oil, and as I'm driving, you can get this kind of a burnt rubber smell. I guess it's leaking and it's falling down into the intake. So, the exhaust. So, we got to get that fixed, taken care of, and then we can get going on this paint. These motors tend to leak oil, so I'm going to replace both gaskets. I already went and picked them up, so I'm just going to start taking the valves off, and we'll go from there. One of the first steps is changing out the valve gaskets. I'm gonna have to remove this, remove the filter, and the port. Once I remove all these, then I will have access to the side valve, and I can go ahead and get started. Okay, so this is where we're at. I've got a few of the bolts taken off, as you can see. Here we go. Okay, so I got all the bolts off except one. That one bolt there. And then we'll be popping off this valve cover. Got it. Last one. I hope. It leaked a lot of oil. Okay, so we got the valve cover off. This gasket is toast. There you can see the problem, it's stiff as hell. Gonna get this replaced, sealed up, and we should be good to go. So there it is. I peeled off all the gaskets, and now I'm going to spray it with some brake cleaner. and let it sit. Alright guys, so I'm really digging these original 16-inch wheels. They're actually original Enkis from Japan, really lightweight, so it'd be stupid to go out and get a new set. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to resurface them with some gold, and I think that'll contrast really good with this red. Alright, here we go. 3 coats of base gold. Came out really good.